I just wanted the freedom to wake up in a place I love without an alarm clock, with the whole day ahead of me to create whatever I wanted.
Después de la tormenta siempre la calma.
We're here in Cerro Azul outside of Panama City, here for the last 6 weeks, and I find it's the perfect place to optimize Panama. Ay. Like a mouse. Es un monstruo.
Thank you.
Yo creo que hay murciélagos aquí.
Pero me da miedo.
Sí.
Le ayudando a la serpiente. Ay, caramba. En nuestra casa tenemos muchos animales. Hola. Es como un shot de limón, sí. La cerveza y arriba tiene sal. Ah, ok. Ah, ok.
Oh, wow.
Ay, hola.
Yo nunca he visto un animal así.
Yo nunca en mi vida. Ay.
Pero nuestras mejores aventuras siempre son así, como sin planes. La cascada es a este lado. Se llama Charco Azul, como muchas mesas. Sí, no es tan lejos, como 200 metros. Gracias. Hasta luego.
Espera un largo camino. Hola. Tenemos que venir en Semana Santa.
Sí, mucho mejor. Como todo. Porque si tienes libertad no tienes que pensar como, oh, es fin de semana, tengo que aprovechar. Tu fin de semana puede ser un lunes, un miércoles, cuando quieres. Cuando todo el resto del mundo está trabajando.
We're working a lot, but when I come out like this, I feel like, I don't know, I feel removed from that, and I can actually see how far we've come. I've been thinking a lot about what the next steps are in some of my projects, and today just walking was like, I felt like the next step was illuminated for me. So yeah, one of the unexpected side benefits, I guess, of walking or of detaching from your work. The right conversation, the right idea, the right moment, and you feel like your next step is clear.
Esa sí era una águila.
It's coming back. Total gym. Hammock. This will be a big part of my my experience in Panama going forward.
I would say I'm the most creative, I'm the most productive I've been in a long time, and I attribute a lot of that to this change.
It felt almost like a voyage.
Which way? This way?
The locals say this is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Cerro Azul. We're not leaving till we find it.
Look at the monkeys. Poquito enojados.
Sí, mejor sigamos.
Como nuestro territorio.
Tirando palos.
Ah, como trampas.
Ajá. Ay, él va a saltar aquí.
No, 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 no. Just heard howler monkeys twice, off in the distance. Yeah, there they are again. Well, we got rained out. We continue, or is this the end of the road? There it is.
In that moment, under the cascading water, all the stress and worries of the world washed away. This is what freedom feels like.
¿Cómo te sientes?
So that was Romeo. Supposedly there's a Juliet waterfall somewhere around here.
Little tree frog. All these little freshwater crabs right in the waterfall.
Nos hubiéramos perdido esta aventura. Es lo que yo te dije, después de la tormenta siempre es la calma.
The whole path is like a little river now after the rain. sudando. Sí, a veces ellos están por aquí.
I'm officially a resident of Panama. I know that this is a great thing for me. Within 5 years, I can become a Panamanian citizen. That's an option I'm not sure if I'll pursue, but at the very least, that's an option on the table. So I finished that project, which is getting the residency, getting the driver's license, being out from the city for 6 weeks literally without going back into the city. I feel like completely reset, especially after living a few months in a row in what I consider kind of chaos with motorbikes and big cities and cars and all of that. This has been a great escape, spending time away from the city. I think that's a good way for me to optimize living here. Seeing all of this wildlife, there's Romeo and Juliet waterfall, there's lots of parks and places to go exploring here. Every time, literally every time, it's been a surprise. Big takeaways I've had from all of these experiences is just the importance of getting away into nature, the importance of a reset. If you're just living in the city year-round in the same place, same environment with the same friends, you don't realize all of this conditioning, all of this stress that's building up, all of this influence. I feel like a change of environment, this magnitude, is like a game changer for your creativity. The biggest changes I've made are daily walks, literally taking time out of every day to go walking, exploring without setting the route in advance, just kind of where do I feel like, how much energy do I have, listening to my body and letting that kind of guide me. The ideas that have come to me during my walks here just reinforce this fact that I need to do this on a regular basis. Drinking tea daily, replacing coffee, replacing energy drinks with green tea, oolong tea, and pu'er tea. Getting a daily writing habit going. So for the first time in a long time, I'm writing daily. I'm spending time using my creativity every day. If you've stumbled upon this channel, if you watch this far, subscribe. We're going to be talking about exploration, lifestyle design, creating your own business, your creative contribution to the world. So what's next?